हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल शिक्षा सखा। आज मैं आपके लिए लेकर आई हूँ क्लास 8 इंग्लिश की टेक्स्ट बुक हनी ड्यू का लेसन 8 जिसका नाम है अ शॉर्ट मॉनसून डायरी। इस वीडियो में हम लेसन की समरी, टेक्सचुअल क्वेश्चंस और ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चंस करेंगे। पिछली वीडियो में मैंने आपको लेसन 7 अ विजिट टू कैम्ब्रिज की समरी, टेक्सचुअल क्वेश्चंस और ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चंस करवाए थे। अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं और अभी तक आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें। मैंने अपने चैनल की प्लेलिस्ट में सब्जेक्ट वाइज लिस्ट डाली हुई है। आप जिस भी लेसन को देखना चाहते हैं मेरे चैनल की प्लेलिस्ट में जाके देख सकते हैं। तो चलिए पाठ की शुरुआत करते हैं। सबसे पहले पाठ की समरी करेंगे। Introduction. These are a few extracts from Ruskin Bond's diary. They show the silent miracles of nature and life's little joy and regrets. They are about author's experiences during the monsoon months in Missouri. Monsoon starts in the last week of June and continues till the end of August. June 24. It is the first day of monsoon mist. The mist has concealed the hills. It has also silenced the birds. The author hears Biju calling to his sister. He can feel that Biju is running. However, the mist doesn't let him see Biju. The mist appears to change the hills in two ways. It conceals the hills from view. It also makes them silent. It is so because the birds fall silent is the mist. June 25. The rain is warm and humid, so it is not as comfortable as the rain in winter. The flowers are coming up. The author describes the hill stations and valley in one sentence. It is a paradise that might have been. June 27. The monsoon has brought lychees. A leopard has also been seen. It has been stealing dogs and other animals. Some seasonal flowers also appears. More importantly, new birds appear. Among them are minivets. These are brightly colored birds. They sit silently among the leaves. 2nd, August 2nd. It has rained all night. The sound of the rainfall on the tin roofs pleases the author. One is untouched and yet in touch with the rain. August 3. The rain stops. There is sunshine. People, animals, and birds are out in the open once again. The song of whistling through coming from a distance pleases the author. August 12. It has been raining non-stop for more than a week. Everything is damp. One can go out only with an umbrella, but it is not cold. The hills are covered with flowers. August 31. Monsoon growth is visible everywhere. The seeds of the cobra lily are turning red. This is an indication that the rains are coming to an end. The holes are full of rainwater, so snakes and rodents have taken shelter in roofs, attics, and godowns. October 3. This year monsoon rain continued much longer than usual. Now there is winter rain. A hailstorm has cleared the sky. January 26. The author wrote a poem about winter rain. The winter rain makes the author more lonely. A friend who had been staying with him has left. Unlike the monsoon rain, there are no flowers in the winter rain. March 23. It is the end of winter. After a hailstorm, there is a rainbow in the clear sky. अब हम करते हैं इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। क्वेश्चन 1, वाई इज द ऑथर नॉट एबल टू सी बिजू? सेकंड, व्हाट आर द टू मेन वेज इन विच द हिल्स अपीयर टू चेंज व्हेन द मिस्ट कम्स अप? इसका आंसर है फर्स्ट, द ऑथर कुड नॉट सी बिजू बिकॉज ऑफ द मिस्ट दैट कंसील्ड द हिल्स. ही कुड ओनली हियर हिज वॉइस बट कुड नॉट सी हिम. सेकंड, व्हेन द मिस्ट कम्स अप it covers the hills and spreads silence. Question first, when does the monsoon season begin and when does it end? How do you prepare to face the monsoon? Second, which hill station does the author describe in the diary's entry? Third, for how many days does it rain without stopping? What does the author do on these days? Fourth, where do the snakes and rodents take shelter? Why? Fifth, what did the author received in the mail? इसका आंसर है फर्स्ट, द मॉनसून सीजन इन मैसूरी begins from June 24-25 by August 2. The people are fed up with rain. It ends by August 31. Then begins winter rain, which end by late March. We take out our raincoats and umbrellas to face the monsoon. Second, Missouri. Third, it rains non-stop for 8 or 9 days. The author keeps pacing the room and looking out of the window. Fourth, the rodents and snakes take shelter in roofs, attics and godowns. They do so because their holes are flooded with rainwater. Fifth, the author receives a check in the email. Look carefully at the diary entries for June 24-25, August 2 and March 23. Now write down the changes that appears as the rain progress from June to March. इसका आंसर है rains in Missouri begins in June and end by March. June 24 is the first day of monsoon mist which covered the hills and spread silence. On August 2, it rained all night and made sleeping difficult. By late March and winter as well as the rains. Question 2, why did the grandmother ask the children not to kill the chuchundar? इसका आंसर है the grandmother told the children not to kill the chuchundars because they brought good luck and money. Question 3, what signs do we find in nature which show that the monsoons are about to end? इसका आंसर है by the end of the monsoon, the greenery is at its peak, the seeds of the cobra lily turns red, a rainbow is formed in the sky. Question 4, complete the following sentences. First, Biju is not seen but his voice is heard because. Second, the writer describes the hill station and valley as. Third, the leopard was successful in dash but had to flee when. Fourth, the mini vats are easily noticed because dash. Fifth, it looks like a fashion display on the slopes when dash. Sixth, during the monsoon season, snakes and rodents are found in roofs and attics because dash. इसके आंसर हैं फर्स्ट, the dense mist covered the heights, the hills. Second, a paradise that might have been. Third, killing a dog but had to flee when Biju's mother arrived crying curses. Fourth, of their bright colors. Fifth, they are covered by a variety of flowers. Sixth, their holes are flooded with water and these places provide them convenient shelter. Question 5. Although tin roofs are given to spring unaccountable leaks, there is a feeling of being untouched by and yet touching with the rain. First, why has the writer used the word springing? Second, how is the writer untouched by the rain? Third, how is the writer in touch with the rain at the same time? इसका आंसर है फर्स्ट, the word springing is used to show suddenness when with which water starts leaking. Second, because he is inside the room. Third, he hears the drumming of rain on the tin roof. He also looks out of the window to see the rain. Question 6. Mention a few things that can happen when there is endless rain for days together. इसका आंसर है A long spell of rain makes life miserable. One is closed up in his room. Everything becomes damp and soggy. Rodents, snakes, and insects enter the house for shelter. Question 7. What is the significance of cobra lily in relation to the monsoon season, its beginning and end? इसका आंसर है at first cobra lily appears with the arrival of the monsoon. When the cobra seeds begin to turn red, it indicates the rains are coming to an end. ये हमारी आगे की एक्सरसाइज है, आप चाहें तो इसे भी कर सकते हैं. अब करते हैं हम इसके ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चंस. क्वेश्चन 1. दिस डायरी इज रिटन बाय ऑप्शन ए मिचेल मोरपर्गो, बी एस.डी. सावंत, सी सत्यजीत राय, डी रस्किन बॉन्ड. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन डी रस्किन बॉन्ड. Question 2. The author could hear Biju but could not see him because of option A. The distance, option B. The wall, option C. The mist, option D. The fact that he was not in the line of his vision. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी द मिस्ट. Question 3. Monsoon rain is option A. Cold and unpleasant, option B. Very small, C. Warm and humid, D. हॉट. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी वार्म एंड ह्यूमिड. क्वेश्चन 4. इन हिज डायरी द ऑथर इज डिस्क्राइबिंग ऑप्शन ए शिमला, ऑप्शन बी मसूरी, ऑप्शन सी नैनीताल, ऑप्शन डी ऊटी. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी मसूरी. क्वेश्चन 5. द ड्रोंगोज, ऑप्शन ए सिंग लाइक मिनीवैट्स, बी आर वेरी ब्यूटिफुल, सी आर देयर इन ऑल सीजन्स, डी चार्ज द मिनीवैट्स अवे. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन डी चार्ज द मिनीवैट्स अवे. क्वेश्चन 6. इंसेक्टिवोरस बर्ड्स आर हैप्पी इन द मानसून सीजन. ऑप्शन ए एज दे गेट प्लेंटी ऑफ फूड, ऑप्शन बी बिकॉज दे ब्रीड इन दिस सीजन, ऑप्शन सी बिकॉज दे लव वाटर, ऑप्शन डी एज द वेदर इज नॉट देयर लाइकिंग. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन ए एज दे गेट प्लेंटी ऑफ फूड्स. Question 7. The sound of the falling rain on tin roof, option A disturbs the author in his reading, option B helps the author to read, C annoys the author, D makes the author leave that place. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन B helps the author to read. Question 8. Who are the obnoxious visitors that arrive at the hill station? Option A leopards and lychees, option B drongos and minivats, option C drongos and leopards, option D leopards and minivats. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन ए leopards and lychees. Question 9. Fearing whom does the leopards run away? Option A Biju, option B Biju's sister, option C Biju's grandmother, option D Biju's mother. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी Biju's grandmother. Question 10. How does Biju cow get saved? Option A by gunshot, option B by thunders, option C the approach of Biju's grandmother, option D cow hit at hit. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी द अप्रोच ऑफ बिजूज ग्रैंडमदर. तो यहाँ पे हमारी वीडियो ख़त्म होती है. अगली वीडियो में मैं आपको 5th पोएम ऑन द ग्रास हॉपर एंड क्रिकेट करवाऊँगी. तो ये वीडियो आपको कैसी लगी मुझे कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताएं. वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. थैंक यू.